Let's start the new topic, which is argument against democracy. We will discuss this point, and very important, this question also can come in your examination, that argument against democratic government. क्या क्या arguments है? We will discuss this, and this is very important and can be asked by the examiner. आपसे examiner इसके बारे में पूछ सकता है. There are so many features of democracy, but there are some argument against democracy, which shows that the democratic government is not far better. There are some argument against democracy, तो उसको थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं बच्चों. First is democratic lead the instability as leader keep changing in the democratic setup. As you know that in democratic government there is a election process, and after winning the election, sometime what happen, there is a horse trading of the political leader. After winning the election, they try to change their political parties. What happen in democracy? Suppose that there are two political parties and one political party is not, both are unequal, both political party not come in the majority. The games of the horse trading is started. When there is a khareed farokt of the leaders has started. So sometime what happens, it create the instability of the democratic setup. हमारे democratic setup में एक instability होती है. When the government is not come with the full majority and they are depend with the support of another political party, and what happened when the another political party take the support, government गिर जाती है. So it create the instability in a democratic system. Secondly, the decision making process delay in democracy because the several people have consulted in the democratic setup. As I told you that in democracy all the decisions are taken on the basis of deliberation, negotiation and consultancy. So it takes the long time to take the decision. डेमोक्रेसी में हमेशा डिसीजन लेने में डिले होता है. दैट्स वाई द एजुकेशनिस्ट इंक्लूड दिस पॉइंट दैट प्रूफ दैट पॉइंट अगेंस्ट द डेमोक्रेसी. द क्विक डिसीजन आर नॉट टेकन इन द डेमोक्रेसी. दे ऑलवेज चेक द सिचुएशन, डिस्कस विद द एक्सपर्ट. डिसीजन मेकिंग में पूरा डेलिब्रेशन, नेगोशिएशन, कंसल्टेंसी होता है. That's why there is a delay, थोड़ा सा लेट होता है डिसीजन मेकिंग में. Sometime even elected people do not know about the best interest of the people. Thus all time it leads to the bad decision. I am not saying कि those who are elected, जो elected होते हैं, they always take the good decision. There is no qualification criteria. In some of the countries, you can take the example of India. So those who are elected, they are also don't know about their rights. They also don't know about the system. They also don't know that what welfare policies we should start for the well-being. So elected people don't know about the interest. Thus at time it leads to the bad decision. So sometimes they take the wrong decision. It gave the diverse impact इन अ फ्यूचर. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो गलत डिसीजन हो जाते हैं बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एक्सपर्ट इन देयर फील्ड, बट वी इलेक्टेड देम. एंड स्पेशली इट हैपन्स इन इंडिया व्हेन द मोस्ट ऑफ द इलेक्शंस आर फाइट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन एंड कास्ट. वी डोंट सी द क्वालिफिकेशन, वी डोंट सी द कैपेबिलिटी ऑफ द कैंडिडेट. वी कास्ट आर वोट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रेस, वी कास्ट आर वोट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन. दे टेक द रॉन्ग डिसीजन और उसका भुगतान हमारे आने वाली जो जनरेशन होती है बच्चों, उसको करना पड़ता है. दिस इज द आर्ग्यूमेंट अगेंस्ट डेमोक्रेसी. देयर आर सेवरल केसेस ऑफ करप्शन एज डेमोक्रेसी बेस्ड ऑन द इलेक्टोरल कॉम्पिटिशन. इलेक्टोरल कॉम्पिटिशन होता है. देयर आर सो मेनी लीडर्स जिनके ऊपर बहुत सारे चार्जेस हैं. द केसेस आर पेंडिंग इन द हाई कोर्ट एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट. Still they are enjoying the power. There are so many leaders, those who are sitting in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, एंड उनके ऊपर तमाम तरीके के केसेस चल रहे हैं. सो दीज आर द आर्ग्यूमेंट अगेंस्ट द डेमोक्रेसी. Most people don't know what is democracy. There are so many leaders, those who are sitting in the parliament, they don't know what is the actual meaning of democracy. They don't know the system of democracy. They should not decide anything. वो कुछ भी decide नहीं कर सकते. According to these arguments, democracy does not seem to be an ideal form of government, but it is not. So the following argument prove that democracy is the best form of government. There are so many arguments against the democracy, but these argument against democracy doesn't prove that democracy is not a good form of system. There are some lackness, there are some kamiyan, there are some dosh in democratic form of system. Even them we cannot neglect. Even them we cannot neglect. I know there is a delay in the decision making. I know that we elect the wrong people. I know that the some of the leaders, those who are sitting in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, they don't know the actual meaning of democracy. Even them we cannot neglect the democratic form of system. So all these things are the argument against democracy. The very important question can be asked by the examiner. Write down the argument against democracy. This question should be asked by the examiner. So please just listen the video again and again and to just write down your answers. So thank you very much.